Hi, my name is Michelle Carvajal. I am 22 years old. I am from Santa Marta and living in Santa Marta with my mom, my grandmother, and my three sisters. I am a psychology student at the Arts and Humanities School of the UNAT. In my free time, I read the books. For example, I am reading the Brain and Emotion book. My favorite hobby is watching TV show. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite TV show is The Big Bang Theory, and my favorite sport is tennis. There are three people in my family. My mother is Elisa Monzon. She is 42 years old. She is a designer. She is from Bogota. My mother is very nice. She is short. Her eyes are green and she has blonde hair. My sister is Diana Carvajal. She is 20 years old. She is a gastronomy student. She is from Santa Marta. My sister is shy. She is short. Her eyes are blue and she has blonde hair. My grandmother is Maria Castelblanco. She is 62 years old. She's a surgical instrumentation. She is from Bogota. My grandma is very nice. She is short. Her eyes are brown and she has black eyes.